the This is the trade I've been waiting for on crude oil, and as you can see, I'm currently inside this trade. I'm currently shorting crude oil right now. This is the support and resistance. You can see there's no need to tell you why this is a support and resistance. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the reason why I entered this trade, this was supposed to be my first entry. This inducement and this other block, but the reason why I did not enter was because the market was closing and we didn't actually break and close below here. What I was waiting for is the market to break and close below this resistance, and here is the nearest high, and that's my target. And the trade is like 1 to 3.5 or something, so that's the trade. So that's what I'm currently in right now. I'm currently in a short position on the US oil. That's what I'm currently in right now. But let me show you guys something here. Gold, I swear, gold is like, I don't even know how to. Gold is a bastard. See what happened to me. Like, see what happened last week when I showed you that I got stopped by one pip. The same thing yesterday. I entered this trade, and this was my stop loss right here, right below. This was my stop loss. You can see it came, hit my stop loss, and now it's going to TP. Gold is just so volatile right now, and the order flow is just, it's just shitty. Like, that's what I would say. The order flow is just shitty, like very very shitty order flow. So I don't think I have another trade on gold right now. I don't think so. I'm seeing this fair value gap right here, but I don't think I'm going to be touching gold for the remaining of this week. I don't think so, because okay, we have news, and the reason why I'm not like really focused on the US space is because of the government shutdown. Their government shutdown yesterday, so I don't really think I'm going to be trading. But GBP yesterday trade was beautiful. It came, the trade that I've been waiting for last week. As you see, it came, hit my take profit. I had an entry here also, a second entry, and this was it. I showed it on my previous trade. A second entry. This was my stop loss right here and here. So I exited this particular trade around here, around 1 to 5.5, and I waited for this to hit my take profit. So overall, yesterday was a beautiful trade. I had to, like, this is just one trade, but like I tell you, when you have a trade running in a direction, most of the time the order flow is solid. Price will respect the order flow once the trade is going to a direction. Once you know the direction where the trade is going to, the price will always respect the order flow. So that's what the price is all about. And yeah, so that's the trade on GBPJPY. And right now I haven't seen a setup forming again. The reason why I removed this trade is because I haven't seen my setup forming. As you can see, I always leave my trades, this, I always leave them to kind of know like what I'm doing and everything. But right now I see this is catching my attention. This is catching my attention. But that's not just the problem, because the problem is where is the direction, because the next high is this high right here. The next high is this here right here. This is the next high. This is the next low. I mean, this is the next low here. And honestly, I don't think, if maybe I'll be taking this trade. I don't know. We'll see when price gets into that place. We'll see if I'm going to be taking the trade or not. But that's the entry that is standing out to me. The order flow, because that's the highest of the order flow. So if I have a position, let's say I have a short position, and I put my entry here and my stop above here, so in my take profit, this is going to be like a 1 to, it's also like a 1 to 5. Remember, like, the minimum trade I trade is 1 to 3. If it's not 1 to 3, I'm not going to take the trade, because the risk in trading, there's something you should know. Risk to reward ratio is very important. So it looks like I'm going to be taking this sell. If price should come back here during New York, if we should see a retracement, because this is an indication that we are still bearish, this indication. So the correction, I just want the price to correct back into this fair value gap. So this fair value gap is what I'm going to be taking trade off, and this is another block here also, and the fair value gap is also inside another block. So that's what I'm going to be taking short also. I think this is the next trade I'm monitoring. This is the next trade I'm monitoring. So I'm monitoring two trades right now. I'm already shorting US oil. I'm already shorting US oil. I'm already bearish on that. And GBP JPY also, I think I'll be shorting it once price come back here and tap inside this fair gap. I think I'll be shorting that. So that's going to be the video for today. See you guys tomorrow.